I received this automatic touchless foaming soap dispenser as a gift, and I've been really impressed with how well it works once I actually set it up correctly. When I first took it out of the box, I put my soap straight in and started waving my hand underneath, wondering why nothing was coming out. It took me an embarrassingly long moment to realize I should have read the instructions first. This dispenser uses a foaming hand soap, which means you need to dilute your regular soap with water before it will work properly. Once I added the water and mixed it, the foam came out perfectly, smooth, airy, and super consistent. So if you're setting this up for the first time, definitely give the instructions a quick glance. One of the things I love about this dispenser is how touchless and responsive it is. You just place your hand under the nozzle and the sensor picks it up instantly. There's no delay, no repeated waving, and no misfires. It feels very clean and convenient, especially in a kitchen or bathroom where your hands might be messy from cooking or washing up. It also has 6 different adjustable levels for the amount of soap it foams out. I honestly expected we would need to be on one of the higher levels, but we've only been using it at level 1 for adult hands and kids' hands, and it's the perfect amount of soap. The higher settings would definitely come in handy for kids' dishwashing situations or if you like a lot of foam. It's nice having that customization instead of being stuck with one standard amount. The design is rechargeable, so you don't have to mess with batteries. Just plug it in when it needs a charge, and the battery life lasts a long time. Definitely long enough that you don't need to feel like you're constantly plugging it in. Another thing I appreciate is the waterproof design. The dispenser feels sturdy and well sealed, so you don't have to worry if it gets splashed in the kitchen or near the sink. It's clearly made to handle everyday use. The overall look is clean and modern, so it fits in nicely wherever you want it in the bathroom, kitchen, next to your dish soap, or even in the shower. Because it produces foam, you end up using less soap overall, which means your soap lasts longer and it's easier on the pump mechanism too. The touchless feature has been really nice, especially in the bathroom with kids. And whether I'm prepping food, handling meat, or my hands are messy from cooking, I don't have to touch anything. It keeps the whole area cleaner and it's one less thing to wipe down constantly. For families, the adjustable settings are great. You can turn it up for kids who want a little extra soap or keep it low so adults don't waste it. It's a small feature, but it's super useful. Overall, this was a very thoughtful gift. The dispenser works great once it's set up properly. The foam is smooth and consistent. The touchless sensor is fast and sensitive, and I love having 6 adjustable levels to choose from. If you want something that looks nice, works reliable, and keeps things cleaner around your sink, this is definitely a great upgrade.